Hey everybody, okay, this is a follow-up video to the Calgon fabric softener that we made like a week ago. We could have made a video the following day, but we wanted to give the product time to sit on the carpet and see if it wore off on our shoes or whatever. Well, anyway, this is what the video's about. And what we're going to do is I'm going to vacuum the carpets and fluff them up a bit and then see how they are fluffed up, because to be honest with you, they've been soft all week and the softness is never worn off. So, but anyway, I'm going to do this real quick just to show you guys. You have to take my word on it because you can't, but they are soft and they feel nice.
Put the brush on?
Huh?
Oh, the brush is on?
Yeah. The brush is so fast you can't see them. Okay, this isn't a vacuum video, but I'm gonna clear something up real quick. A lot of people ask us about, should we get, do we like the Dyson or would we like get a shark? Well, no, we don't want to get a shark. We don't like sharks. They're not multi-cyclonic, so just get a Dyson and be done with it. But anyway, I'm gonna take my shoe off, and the carpet's real soft. It really is. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's incredibly soft. I'm happy that we got the softener on it because it makes the fibers super soft. They were never hard to begin with, but they're softer now than other areas that don't have the softener on it. So I'd advise you use it. In fact, this is a theory I'm working on, but I think if you put if you put a softener on a carpet that's really, really dirty, it'll actually help to soften up the fibers and make them more palatable to work with, make them where they bend around easier on a real dirty carpet that has lots and lots of stains. So you might consider that next time you have a dirty carpet. Spray it down with water softener heavy, and get the carpet so it's real flexible and easy to work with because it's soft, and then start cleaning on it with your actual, put your cleaner on it too, of course. But anyway, that's...
So our verdict, I would definitely say buy some of it. It's not very expensive. Try it. See what you think of it. You might like it. If you don't care about it, it's no big deal. But it's not maybe every carpet.
It's $5.
Yeah.
5, 6. Well, I mean,
And what you don't use, just use that for doing your clothes wash. Do it with your washing machine and use
yeah.
the
And
rest
the
of it.
instructions say use a cap.
Yeah.
So throw it in your pre-spray, whatever, your 2 gallon, 4 gallon, whatever. If it's 4 gallons, use a couple of caps. If it's 1 or 2 gallons, use a cap, and just let it works. You can trust us or think we're lying, but
No, you can try
it
it.
works.
It's not very expensive. Try it, see what you think of it yourself.
And that's what it's about. Oh, remember, just get a Dyson and quit asking us about sharks. We don't
Yeah.
like them. Get a Dyson.
If you like sharks, that's great.
Yeah,
But
good for
we
you.
prefer Dysons.
Yahoo.
Everybody use their own favorite vacuum, and don't worry
Whatever
about
you
it.
want to use.
All right.
Bye-bye.
That's all. Thanks for watching.